Okay, we're back.
Okay, now get the sharp tip screws out. Put them over there. Alright.
And we're continuing on the next phase of building the futon.
Okay. Let's see, where's the screw holes on this orientation? It's over here. Alright.
Oh.
Cute. Flipping cute. There it is.
I guess he's putting on what you call an extender.
Actually,
Since he's not saying what he's
it's left and a right, and I'm basically trying to focus on seeing a hole, which is black, that's in a black male to male on a black part. So basically, I'm trying to look at black, black, and black. This is hidden inside this, and why they made this black, I have no idea. Considering these things comes in a multitude of colors. Alright. Okay. That's how it wants to play it. I got your number. See? Hole on a black piece. Hole on a black piece. So I have to line up black on black. The irony. I know. It's quite substantial here. And I'll be back in one quick second. And we'll go get something.